is in your spirit. How do you do it? Let me give you an example. Jesus Christ. Do you know, say this, say life in Christ is easy. You know, if you're healthy, walking should not be hard. Walking should not be hard. If everything is fine with your body, you just wake up and you get up and you walk. If you have to get up like this, then you have to walk like this, you are sick. This is not the way the human body is supposed to operate. Prosperity is like that. If you have to, you've not learned the principle. When you learn it, do you remember when you were learning how to drive? When you learn how to drive, at that time you're thinking, left leg, right leg, clutch, then hand, then you're looking. All of a sudden you're thinking, where am I going to be looking? Out here, that mirror, this mirror, that one. And then you're doing that. All these cars that are passing, what is going on? You're learning. It seems like there are too many things to do at the same time. But brother, when you've learned that, when you enter auto mode, you can sleepwalk and drive. I'm serious. You can drive with the least mental activity. If we're to check the processes of your brain when you are driving, for those who already know how to drive, the mental activity is minimal. The reason is because through practice and knowledge, you poured something into your body. Your body got used to it. Your body now is in auto mode. In computer language, it's like when you open a page, your device has what you call caches. That page, if you've opened it before, your computer or your device stores that page on your system. The next time you are opening that page, it's not going to the internet to go and get the page. The page is already there. There's some things that I've installed into my spirit. I'm not downloading again. I use at will. I don't know. Do you understand me? God has granted you understanding. When you understand this, you'll find out that certain things will be coming to you by free course. By free course. You will not pray about them. All you just know is you are in the being. It will be coming to you by free course. You will not be asking for it. I'll show you the scriptures. Just